Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Civic Si in red with black cloth interior, seating for 5. This is a 2-door coupe. It's a 4-cylinder, manual transmission, and a front-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your traction control is located here, lighting controls here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your media sources, hands-free dialing, cruise control, and this is your dash controls. This is a manual transmission, so we're just going to start it up. And you're seeing up on the top here, you've got the time and the date, as well as your odometer reading. So we can toggle through for things like your entertainment and the different channels, and then back around again. In the center, you have your media choices of AM, FM, CD, Sirius XM, as well as auxiliary line and your volume and tuner. You've also got your map for navigation. So we're just going to touch on that to confirm. And of course, set your destination before you take off. This just keeps you safe. Down below is your climate control, and you have rear defrost as well as heated side view mirrors, AC and max AC. There's your fan and your temperature control. And down below in the dark there is your auxiliary line in, as well as a 12-volt. And you've also got a bin, manual transmission, emergency parking brake beside you, a couple of cup holders, and you can open up your armrest, and then you're seeing as well a 12-volt USB there. And lots of storage. Off to the side is a glove compartment, and up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, and as well we've got a moonroof. Now I'm not going to open it, it's a little bit wet, but you can just slide and power that open. And you've also got a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, and that can be released beside the driver's seat. And you can also release your trunk from that location as well. You've got a bit of a spoiler on the back. And when you're ready to open up that trunk, you can also do it from your fob. So you click it and it'll release it for you, and then you just lift right up. Inside that trunk is nice and roomy and carpeted, and you're seeing these little tabs off to the left and to the right, and what that is to release your seats in a 60-40 split. And when you're ready to close everything up, simply push down. It's now securely closed. You can then lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The nice thing about this 2-door coupe is that you can easily bring the front seat forward. There's a tab there. It brings the back of the seat ahead, as well as the seat out of the way, so you now have access to the 3 seats in the back with 3-point seat belts. There's also anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and the release in the 60-40 split is in the trunk area so that you can easily load extra big items. Tinted glass in the windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.